putting the customer first.
Create data at the shop floor, at the edge, at the machine itself.
Productivity, sustainability, reliability, and safety challenges.
That's basically the floor to cloud, let's say, scenario, right?
How can this concept actually help customers?
At the center of transformation, it's not just about creating the right data and delivering a visualization. There's a person at the end of that.
You have to talk to so many users because you might provide individual value for individual users.
Where do you believe that this floor to cloud concept is going to take us? What can we look forward to, or what are you looking forward to?
They can start small, prove the ROI, scale fast, and begin achieving those insights.